kia mubunge Ndindi Nyoro ni kiambirite kugira maiga kuma kiri atongerio barutere ruregani na kinya kuma kiri baria barindene ya thirikari. Minista Oriti Ngugi Mwingi Geoffrey Ruko akioneka kumeneria tagaria ria Ndindi ria kwebera kiamene kia UDM na gutonya gia People's Party of Kenya. Kagitio ni ukaumithika ntongai na atongeria bangi ba DCP bakiuga kiama gia PPK ni kia gutumirwa ni Ruto ondi nawe musiasa Kimathia Mundi kuma Central Imenti akuga umtwari na rutha ro gutonya kana kwambiria kiama kiawe Mutugi Kare na kwathira Nkuruki.
Biama biage siasa no bigweta na mbere kuongereka ruterero rwa Kirimara na kia rwa Korugoro ne kiama kia People's Party of Kenya kiria mutongere wakyo ne Ndindi Nyoro orora thamire kuma kiamene kia UDA na gutumiria kiama kiawe gikethirwa kiri murengo muregani na thirikari.
Mimi kama Ndindi Nyoro na wafuasi wangu kutoka leo nimeingia chama inaitwa People's Party of Kenya. As is all the membership of the People's Party of Kenya, we have today joined the opposition.
Nyuma ya Ndindi Nyoro kuruguria kiama kia watongere ba kiama kia DCP Arodi Gachagua, Senator John Medhu na James Mithika ni bashumeretie kuwa kiama kia PPK getejete na wega inde kejete na rungu getumerwa ni Rais William Ruto kugokania kirima.
These wheelbarrows that are coming up, all of them, we know them. First, we knew they are coming. And we know the others that are coming. We saw one that was launched yesterday, and we were waiting for it because we had been told that there's a wheelbarrow that is coming from Muranga. We knew that it was coming. So it does not come to us as a surprise that you have a new wheelbarrow. We actually know that there is another wheelbarrow that is coming. We know that there is a wheelbarrow that is being prepared in Laikipia. I think in Dionaika Mugu. We know there is another wheelbarrow that is being prepared from Nakuru and many other wheelbarrows that are coming. That is your strategy number 2. And we can even preempt what will happen because we know that after these wheelbarrows, you now introduce new presidential candidates from this region to try and divide this mountain.
Kugawa hii mlima ni kama kukata mti wa Mugumo na wembe. Haiwezekani, haiwezekani. Harambe! Turauga toti kuganio neguo. Kerema neneke. Kiama neneke. Mutongoria ni uyu. Uguo niguo marauga.
Agenda ya muntu wetwa Kasongo itherwe rimwe ndene Kenya thangalania nto kendo munyoboki ndome kwomwe nibo nto kuona muntu wetwa Ndindi Nyoro agoya na kawiru barukake kawetwa ndoto minyoga wetwa muntu wetwa Kinyoge we na ngui ntune o wetwa Matiang'i o bagurire aroire no na kake kawetwa Jubilee nya agwetwa Meru kuri muntu murume wete kwanga manga ya kuro na kama ka wheelbarrow ka President Ruto.
CS Geoffrey Ruko kinya wena ithukirite Ndindi Nyoro akimwira kinya akathithia biama bing'ana bobote kuba makiabo baria gwatimbaru ba Rais William Ruto.
Ndindi Nyoro atakitengeneza chama leo, afuje atengeneza ingine kesho, ingie kwa upinzani, haituhusu chochote. Kwa hiyo mlima kuna vyama mingi zaidi ya 20. Hata hiyo wakati ya 2022 kulikuwa na vyama mingi. Kwa hivyo tunajua utengeneze chama, uite vile utaita, haituhusu chochote. Sisi tunashikilia Mheshimiwa William Ruto na serikali yake kuanzia sai mpaka 2032.
Muthiene Kimathia Mundi na regene na miario atongeria bau batekwa giteo biama bia bangi na mono akiwa gote na mutongero na katheria kumeneria kiama kia ungi akiuga kiria kiri na bata ne biama bibionthe bikagwatanira birabire na agenda imwe
lakini hata bakandira kwa mpaki the era yale one party state hapana mtu anaheshimiwe mtu na kiama anaheshimiwe natakoga biama bia wheelbarrow hapana hiyo lugha ni mbaya tuheshimu kia mwara kiri at least so that barabo from kiama mebe na manifesto babe na ora bakwenda gukara particularly ya 2027 tukwenda twiringanirite turi amwe twi Mount Kenya people, twi Nyanza people, twi Western people, twi Coast people, twiringanira amwe tumana mutongeria ora ukomba ku challenge the current president.
Kiripotera Ndeto cia Werũ, riakwa rietwa ni Mutuge Kare.